Drone flying above the fog can be a unique and exciting experience. As the drone slowly rises above the blanket of fog, the view becomes more and more spectacular. The clouds look like a vast, white ocean that stretches on forever, while the sun can appear as a giant light bulb silhouetted against the white background. Even the sound of the drone seems to be absorbed by the fog, creating an atmosphere of silence and mystery. In this dreamlike setting, one feels as if one is flying to another world, where anything is possible and reality seems to dissolve. If you get the chance to try this experience, you won't regret it.